All right, Christina, this is some cucumbers starting to peek out from the bucket. There's green beans, some more cucumbers, impatiens and begonia are still flowering. We need cucumbers for the winter, so I want to get some more soil and put a package of green beans and maybe some sweet peas. There's more cucumbers. And some of these buckets over here aren't coming up yet, but those are tomatoes. More flowers. Here's some more squash, I believe, coming up, and flowers. Then those buckets there, I believe those have tomatoes. Can't, and maybe some carrots.